Well, we did make a decision on the haircut deal, and we are going to just we're just going to go with it, you know. And we might trim it up or something, but other than that, all is well. You can get a better view of the barn, and definitely a better view of the haircut that's not going to be made. But it is hot. It was 90, I don't know, 96 today or something. So, and they say whatever they call it, the heat something was 101 or 102, which makes it pretty hot. So it's rough, but we are going to try to get this barn a little bit more stable. I don't know if you can see up there, but it ain't nothing holding that up. It ain't much up there. And then over here, this right here, you know, you see it's moving. It's I mean, it is what it is. Let's walk out here and see if we can see this side of it. I mean, it's there. It's not, I can work with it. Most definitely. Most definitely. So stay tuned for the barn. Hopefully we'll get that straight somehow. We'll definitely have to have some help. So thanks everybody for watching and all the comments. And like I said, I'll try to do a lot more of these videos. Thanks, guys.